Hi everybody, welcome back to Avalon Bytes at Avalon School London. I'm Zane. Today we're going to look at a problem that many speakers of Latin languages have, and that is saying the alphabet in English, especially saying the 5 vowels in English. The most common problem is calling this letter I. It's actually E. Okay, so let's say the 5 vowels together. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Again. A, E, I, O, U. Another problem are these two consonants. Okay, this is G and this is J. G, J, G, J. Okay, so rewind if you want to practice again. Comments and questions below. Click the subscribe button and see you next time.